Hey guys, kind of ran into the same problem. I've got a 2016 Ram 2500 4x4. I live in California, so I've probably used my four-wheel drive twice. And I don't even think I needed it, I just used it because it was there. Well, a dealer said right off the bat it needs an actuator. Kind of doubted that, so did some digging, watched some videos, and I think I found the problem. Take a look. We're chasing that light right there, okay? A lot of brake actuator remedies out there. A lot of replace the actuator, but I can understand something stops working just because it doesn't get used enough, but I don't know, it just something didn't sit right with me. Well, let me show you what it is. It's real easy. So the actuator is right there. That's what everybody wants you to replace. That's what the dealerships replace under warranty. But when they replace that, you see this plug here? Right there? You move the wires that go to that plug and make contact. Well, here's the problem. These wires, the plastic insulation on them, get hard and break. It used to be a very common Mercedes-Benz problem back when I used to be in the Mercedes-Benz game. So this is what the fix is. So I'm going to solder these back together because this is all part of a sub harness that goes up. I can't show you, the hood's not open, but it goes up. So I don't want to replace that, but I'm going to fix that and see what happens, okay? Stay tuned. All right, so good news, the four-wheel drive light is out. That's what the problem was. And I took harness, mounted it in the old configuration and brought it down, but this time I attached it with a loose fit zip tie to minimize the flex right there. That's where they break. So now when the wind hits it, it's got very little movement. And I think we're good to go. Just want to thank everyone in YouTube for helping me. This is my way of giving it back. Here's a clear shot at it. Here's the actuator that everybody wants you to change. And when you change it, you move this harness around and that connection comes back. You put it back, everything works. Then the wind catches this. The connection right here breaks. And it's an open circuit. The light comes back on. So I fixed the broken wires in here that you saw earlier. Sorry about that. And then this is just a very loose keeper. When the wind hits it, all the movement is up above here, which is all bound up nice and tight. It's got the curve. That curve was there before. So I think this is going to be a fix, but the light is out and we're good to go.